Hey class, Absolute 5 here, and today we're going to talk about solving equations. Whoop, sorry, blooper right there. Solving equations, but with, well, I can't write with today. Fractions, yay. Okay, enough joking aside. Let's write down the steps. What is the process to do each one? So number one, if fractions are present, you must multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is the least common denominator. Number two, if parentheses are present, use the distributive property. Okay, number three. Then you'd you'd combine like terms on each side of the equation. Next, number four, use the addition property. All right, and the fifth item is divide both sides of the equation. To solve for x. Okay, now that was a mouthful. That was a lot. So let's start off with x over 5 subtract x over 3 equals 6. All right, so let's go straight to the first part. If the fractions are present, find the LCD. So what's the LCD of 5 and 3? LCD is 15. So now I'm going to multiply both x over 5 minus x over 3 is equal to 6. Oh, sorry, and 15 times 6. So it's on both sides and it hits everything. So since parentheses are now present, you're going to distribute the 15 to both these two terms. 15 over 5, sorry. Oof. 15x over 5, take away 15x over 3 equals, what is that? That's 80. So I know 5 goes into 15 3 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. So generally, you didn't have to do that step. You could have easily you could have cross-canceled easily, which I would have preferred you have done. This would have been 3x minus 5x equals 80. I'm going to combine these two to become, remember the signs are different, so you keep the sign of the bigger number, and then you subtract. So I have negative 2x equals 80. I divide both sides by negative 2. X, not negative 20, negative 2, x equals negative 2 as my final answer. Let's try another one. Let's try x over 5 subtract x equals 1 over 5. So what's the LCD here? And remember, you have to find the LCD of every single item. So let's put a 1 under here. So therefore, what's the LCD of 5 and 1? 5. So knowing that I have to do this, I have to now multiply each side by 5. x over 5 minus x over 1. And then I'm left with 5 times 1/5 on the other side. So I'm going to cross cancel certain things here. These 5's are going to cancel, so this is x. And then 5 times x is going to be negative 5x equals, well, these are going to cross cancel, so I'm going to be left with 1. After I subtract, I'm left with negative 4x equals 1. So I divide both sides by negative 4. X equals positive divided by negative is negative 1 over 4 as my answer. Alright, so generally now I'm going to give you guys your homework. X over 2 equals x over 3 plus 1/2. Now, solve for this and leave your answer down in the comment section below. And that's the lesson for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Mash that bell button for more content. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. This has been Absolute 5. I'm Roger Palomino. Math is infinite because there are infinitely many possibilities. And don't forget, don't hate, calculate.